So why are so many people making so much money on TikTok? Well, I'm going to tell you. Quick background story. Back in 2013, I got started on YouTube. YouTube was a blue ocean. In other words, there were very little creators. There was a lot of viewers. So when you have a lot of viewers to very few creators, when creators like myself put out content, that content gets a ton of views for very little effort. Now, fast forward to 2024, YouTube is not a blue ocean anymore. It is saturated. There's a lot of people talking about the same things. Therefore, it's harder to get views. Now with TikTok, TikTok is still a blue ocean. There are very little creators, a lot of consumers, a lot of viewers on here. So if you go to my profile, you'll see that each of my videos get 1,000, 10,000, even over 100,000 views per video. And not just me, beginners that are just getting started with social media marketing. So that's how they're able to make such fast money, which means time is of the essence, and you don't have that much time to capitalize on making money with TikTok. If you want to learn more about how to actually turn TikTok into an ATM, into a money machine, all you need to do is comment TT in the comments below, follow this profile, and then click on my profile and scroll to the top and click the link in my bio. That will outline everything that you need to know that's allowed me to quit my job, go full-time with social media marketing, and really work no more than 1 to 2 hours a day. This is something that any average and ordinary person can do.
If you'd like more like this, go ahead and subscribe and comment, and don't forget to check for the link to see more. If you're watching on TikTok, check the bio. Instagram or Facebook, comment free. YouTube, check the description and get started.